Mixing Vaseline with baking soda looks strange, but the results are unbelievable. The first time I tried this, I was honestly shocked by the results. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this powerful mixture step by step. Stay with me until the end, because what this does is something everyone should know. To begin, grab a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. Most people only use Vaseline for basic things, but the way we're using it today will completely change your routine. Don't skip anything. Every detail matters. Now grab a pan and pour in a small amount of hot water. It doesn't need to boil. It just needs to be hot enough to warm what's coming next. Place the bowl with the Vaseline directly inside the pan, like a simple double boiler, and start mixing slowly. As it warms up, the Vaseline will begin melting until it becomes smooth, liquid, and completely creamy. Exactly how you want it. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. And now comes the secret ingredient. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the melted Vaseline. It may seem like a small amount, but trust me, this is where the magic begins. Mix everything very well until the mixture becomes uniform and slightly lighter in color. Take your time with this step. The better it blends, the better the final result. Once your mixture is perfectly combined, remove the bowl from the hot water and let it cool for a moment. Then transfer everything into a small jar or container. Any leftover cosmetic jar works perfectly. Seal it and get ready, because here is the moment you've been waiting for. This simple blend creates a surprisingly effective treatment that works far better than most expensive products. The Vaseline deeply nourishes and restores softness, while the baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping remove dryness and roughness in a way that feels almost unbelievable. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. To use it, apply a generous layer onto your hands or feet, wherever you need it the most. Once applied, cover the area with a plastic glove, plastic wrap, or even a soft cloth. Leave it on for 20 minutes so the mixture can fully penetrate and work its effect. When the time is up, rinse it off with warm water and gently massage the skin. The first time you try this, you will feel the difference instantly. The skin becomes smoother, softer, and refreshed in a way that is hard to describe. It's gentle, it's effective, and it uses ingredients you probably already have at home. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. If you're still watching, let me know in the comments where you're from. I love seeing how far these tips travel. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and save it so you can try the mixture later. Try it today and come back to tell me your results. You'll be surprised by how powerful 2 simple ingredients can be. See you in the next video.